So what's up, guys? Back with another video. It's Daryl with All the Dreams. I got my boy Ryan. He's here, of course. He has a YouTube channel as well, so definitely check him out. New YouTubers trying to do big things out here in the city of Houston, right? We're out here Saturday, December 14th. Cars and Coffee at Towne Lake. This is probably the second biggest meet of the city, so it's got a lot of wonderful cars. This is the aerial edition we're filming right now, right with the drones. So yes, if you hadn't pointed us out by now, we're the guys waving right in front of you, so definitely do that. So just enjoy the footage. Like I said, subscribe to Ryan. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Go ahead and give this video a like, thumbs up, share, comment, you know the drill. Do all that, and let's get this thing going. All right, guys, we're gonna get down with the drone footage. You know, I often hear in the comments of my videos that, you know, many of you appreciate the drone footage, adding a different element to the car meet type of video. So I appreciate that. I've been meaning for some time to do an aerial edition only video, and so this was just the right opportunity to do that. So here it is. I hope you can enjoy that. I'm gonna try to pass down as many of the roads as possible, so you can see the full extent of the cars present yesterday at the meet, before we get to the your favorite part, the exits, obviously. But we're going to make our way down. A lot of cool cars, as you can see. Hey, check out on the far right, the Marty McFly, the DeLorean Back to the Future time machine. I really want one of those cars bad back in the day. And who wouldn't after the Michael J. Fox Back to the Future movies? A lot of American Muscle, Mopar cars were present today. The Italian boys, the Ferrari, and Lamborghini also present. Didn't see any McLarens, not one McLaren that I recall. If you saw one and I missed it, drop a comment. But no 570Ss, no 600 LTs, no 720Ss McLarens. So like I said, maybe I missed it, but I don't think so. A lot of Corvettes, a lot of Mustangs. It was a really pleasure seeing the brand new 2020 Shelby GT500 Mustang. If you hadn't checked out my video I dropped yesterday that talks about how certain dealers are marking that car up as much as 50 to 60,000 over MSRP, I'll put a link at the top of the screen there so you can check it out. Also, if you hadn't checked out my Ford versus Ferrari movie review, if you saw the movie, there's a lot that movie doesn't tell you about what actually happened. A lot of inconsistencies. So I'll put a link up as well on the top of the screen. Definitely want to check that out. But hey, guys, you know, right now I'm flying at about 25 feet in the air, about 3 miles per hour. Now, the drone I'm using, in case you're wondering, in case you're a techie type of person, a gadget type of person like me who loves this kind of stuff, I'm using a DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. Okay, you can pick that up off Amazon, off DJI's website, off Best Buy, so on and so forth. But the drone has about a 31 minute flight time on a single battery. It can go top speed of about 43 miles per hour, and it has a range of over 5 miles. 5 miles, that's a long way, okay? So when I come out to these car meets, I bring a couple extra batteries because, like today, I'm gonna go through more than one battery. And it definitely is just a pleasure to fly. You have to really be doing something crazy to crash one of these drones, because they have obstacle avoidance sensors all around it in this particular drone, top, bottom, side, back, everywhere. So that's a lot of technology at your side there. Hey, if you have any questions about the drone, you're thinking about getting into one, or you know, trying one for the first time, drop a comment. I'd be happy to answer any questions if I can about the drones in general. But hey, enough of me talking. I'm gonna play some music to wrap up the pass through the rows here. So enjoy. Nice, nice. We got the new Shelby GT500 2020 leaving. Followed by another Shelby. Oh, moving. She's moving. All right, let's go follow this dude. Let's go follow this dude. Let's go follow him. He's gonna get crazy. Peel off, peel off. Come back home. Come back home, baby. Come back home. Smoke everywhere, guys. Smoke everywhere. Smoke everywhere. It's like a smoke screen. And this is more people than we've ever seen on the feeder road.
Oh yeah, way more people.
Dead stop, dead silence. You know they're definitely gonna like. That's hard to do when they slow down.
Big back tires in that car. Huge back tires.
Yeah.